when our emotions come out of our hearts, and our hearts are a vortex. I won't get into that in this video, but I have other videos on that. Physiologically, it's a vortex. Blood flows in a spiral in the embryo before there's a heart even formed. So how can blood flow if the heart's not pumping, right? We've been taught that heart's a pump. Well, that's not true. That's God gave us dominion over nature. External authority as opposed to internal authority. But we have internal authority, and our heart's a vortex, like a black hole. That's creation. Black holes create. Feminine is creation. That's a pretty powerful human being. You know? Does the government want to give us that much power? I don't know. So what happens is, when, let's say, I project selfishness out of my heart that vibrates at 40 hertz, I'm just giving an example. Other souls that also vibrate at 40 hertz will start moving. Okay, and that's how I see myself. So in this experiment, they have two tuning forks. One's 512 hertz and one's 440 hertz. And when the 512 moves, the 440 doesn't even notice. But when it's 440 and 440, the 440 moves, the other 440 moves as well, and there's the perception. What you seek seeks you. That's Rumi, proven by the laws of physics. When my 40 hertz moves, and I put attention on that, then other 40 hertz will move too. It's like we're drawn to each other, and then we let it go. We connect and we disconnect. Connect is the feminine, disconnect is the masculine. Connect, disconnect. Just how it is. So when we accept that we're souls having a human experience, and that how I feel about myself is projected externally so I can see myself, I don't call other people racist or transphobic or selfish, because I know that when I perceive that outside of myself, that is my soul showing me my own selfishness, my own lack of self-control, my own problems, and my beauty, and my, what's great about me, all of it. So please check out my free ebook below. That'll get you started on learning how to turn your emotional wounds into personal wisdom. I take a very multidisciplinary approach. As you see, I use psychology, laws of physics, cardiology, neuroscience, and really the process of healing from your childhood trauma is recalibrating your nervous system to resonate with love, compassion, and enlightenment instead of fear, guilt, and shame. Childhood trauma calibrates your nervous system for fear, guilt, and shame. So that's your signal, is fear, guilt, and shame. And so you attract a lot of fear, guilt, and shame into your life to see yourself. But when you don't understand that we live in a holographic universe, that the universe is a mirror, our ideas are, that's not me. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong.